Yeah, welcome to the chart. So right here we are going to be analyzing the price action on the major pairs starting with USD JPY. As you can see, this zone we marked yesterday for the buy to sell, and we can see a rejection of this second order block. The price is retracing right here, accumulating, and we're going to expect price to tap into this zone, drive further up for a resistance further down on the USD JPY. On Euro USD, as you can see, we marked this zone right here and this zone, and we can see price testing this zone and looking for a support, so we can expect a rally further up. On USD CHF, you can see price into this second order block and a rejection candle here, and we can expect price to drop further down. On AUD USD, you can see price broke this zone and came to this king order block. However, this king order block was not marked yesterday, but for the sake of clarity, it shall be marked. We can see price retested this zone, and we can see a jump up on the Australian dollar. On AUD JPY, this is not a major, so it's not analyzed. However, right here we can see yesterday we marked this zone, and we can see price back into this zone, testing this zone, and we can see a push further up as price created a new support at this level, and today we can expect price to drive up on this pair. On GBP USD, expected a sell to buy, and you can see price broke this zone, and we can see price riding further down, so we can expect price to come probably down to this other block for price to look for a new support for a rally further up. On USD card, you can see price looking for a support in this zone, so we can expect price to give a pattern to ride it up. On gold, price could not get a support here, neither a support here, and you can see price finding support at this particular level. There are key support levels that we look out for. That is why knowledge should always come first in trading. When you have knowledge, you are going to know the zones to look out for. You are going to know the zones to mark and the zones with the highest probability, because in trading price can reject from any zone. However, some zones have higher chances than others, so you can see price rejecting from this zone on gold. On silver, so now let us look at BTC USD. Mark BTC USD, you can see this was the support we marked yesterday, and we can see price rejected from this zone up, and price is accumulating back to this range. So that is all for now. Plan your trade your plan, and most importantly, manage your risk and emotions.